Hello and welcome to Maths Cure IGCSE Maths course. Today we're starting section A and this is lesson 1 on order of operations. So today's agenda is first we're going to look at what BODMAS is, then we're going to review on the topics of BODMAS, then finally we'll look at some example questions. Okay, so let's begin. So BODMAS. So the BODMAS rule is you start on brackets in a maths problem, and then you don't have any brackets, you go down to order or other, which is power reserve and roots. You go to divide, then you go to multiply, then you go to addition and subtraction at the end. So if you don't have one of these in a problem, you just skip it and go to the next one. So BODMAS is annoying, which helps us remember this, okay? So brackets. Brackets tell you what to do first. So you always do the calculations inside brackets first, always, okay? So on the screen we've got some examples of brackets. So now we're going to talk about other. So other is things like squaring and taking roots of numbers. So you do this straight after brackets. So some examples are x squared, or just a number squared, square root of a number, okay? So division and multiplication. So that's the division sign. That's a multiplication sign. If you have both, you work from left to right. So addition and subtraction finally. That's an addition sign, plus sign, subtraction sign, and minus sign. If you have both, you work from left to right in an equation. It doesn't really matter which order you do the addition and subtraction together, or the multiplication or division, but we just put them in this order to help us remember it better. So now we're going to look at some example questions. So that's just the BODMAS thing again, if you need a quick reminder. Right, so let's start. So question 1. Pause the video now and have a go, and then I'll work through it with you. So the question is, work out 6 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so 6 plus 10 divided by 2. So on BODMAS, we don't have any brackets, got no other, but we do have division, so we do that first. So 10 divided by 2 was 5. Then we've got no multiplication, and we do have addition. So then we do 6 plus 5, and our final answer is 11, okay? If you put that in your calculator, it probably would have came up with that, but this is just a simple example. Right, so example 2, work out 15 minus 7 squared. Pause the video now and give it a go. All right, so BODMAS again. So we got no brackets, but we do have other. We've got a squared number. So 7 squared, we do that first. 7 squared is 49. So then we don't have any multiplication or division or addition, but we do have subtraction, so we do subtraction next. So we've got 15 minus 49, which equals negative 34, and that's our final answer. All right, question 3. So find 5 plus 3 times 12 minus 3. Okay, and there's some brackets in here. I'm going to just go through this one with you. So we do the brackets first because that's the very first thing in BODMAS, B brackets. So we've got 5 plus 3, which equals 8. Then we've got 12 minus 3, which is 9. So then we've got 8 times 9. 8 times 9 equals 72. So final question, question 4. This is a tricky one, but I know you can do it. Go for it by yourself, and I'll go through in a second. All right, work out 7 plus 3 times 4 minus 2 plus 3 times bracket 6 divided by 2 close bracket. Okay, so first of all, the thing we do is brackets. So inside the brackets, we've got 6 divided by 2. So what we're going to do is 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So then we're going to leave that. So now we've got the rest of the equation, but we've just got rid of the brackets. So next we've got multiplication is our next thing. We've got no other. So we've got multiplication. So we do 3 times 4, which is 12. And then we also do 3 times 3, which is 9. And then we just do addition and subtraction from left to right. So we've got 7 plus 12, which is 19, minus 2, which is 17, plus 9, which equals 26. And that is the final answer. A big well done if you got that right. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again.